Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 2, Week 5, Day 2. Our topic for today is adding numbers up to 10,000, no regrouping. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Here's a brief review for the yesterday's lesson. Lesson Purpose Intention. To add numbers with sums up to 10,000 in both expanded and vertical forms without regrouping. Lesson Language Practice. Everybody will going to read and understand the lesson language practice. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. How do we write the number 6,821 in expanded form? The expected answer is 6,821 is equals to 6,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 1. Here are the values of each digit in 6,821. Therefore, 6,821 is written as 6,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 1 in expanded form. Adding numbers in expanded form. Step 1. Express each number in expanded form. Look at the following figures. Number 2. Add the values by place value, starting from the ones place and moving to the left. For number 3, combine the partial sums to get the total. Adding numbers in vertical form. Step 1. Write the numbers in vertical form, just what you see below. Number 2, add the digits in each column, starting from the ones place, moving to the left. Here is the expected answer. 4,502 plus 67 is equals to 4,569. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Let's practice more. 5,600 plus 304 in expanded form is 5,000 plus 600 plus 00. 300 is equals to 0 plus 300 plus 0 plus 4. The total of 5,904 is equals to 5,000 plus 900 plus 0 plus 4. And the vertical way is 5,600 plus 304 is equals to 5,904. Number 2. 7,316 is expanded as 7,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 6. 2,000 plus 2,521 expanded as 2,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 1. The total of 9,837 is expanded as 9,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 7. For vertical form, we have 7,316 plus 2,521 is equals to 9,837. Always remember to start adding from the ones place moving to the left. And always remember that you must put the right numbers in each proper column before you add. Number 3. 1013 is expanded as 1000 plus 0 plus 10 plus 3. 8410 is expanded as 8000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 0. The total of 9493 is expanded as 9400 plus 90 plus 3. In vertical form, 1013 plus 8480, the total is 9493. Making generalization. How do we add numbers in vertical form? First, write the numbers one below the other, aligning the digits with the same place value in the same column. Then add the digit in each column starting from the ones place and write the sum below each respective column. How do we find the sum of two numbers using expanded form? First, write each number as the sum of the values of its digit. Then add the values by place value, starting from the ones place. Finally, partial sum to get the total. How do the digits 0 in a number affect addition in expanded form? In expanded form, zeros act as a placeholder that maintain the structure and alignment during addition. Evaluating learning. Part 1. Add the numbers using expanded form. Show your solution and final answer. Assessment 2. Add the numbers using vertical form. Show your solution and your final answer. Here is the expected answer.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to count, read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!